Here is how to make a YouTube short from an existing video. So first of all, you need to go ahead and launch your YouTube application on your mobile device. Tap on your profile picture icon in the bottom of the screen to go to your profile. Then scroll down and tap on your videos option. You'll get the list of videos that you've posted on your YouTube. So go ahead and select a video that you want to work with. Scroll to the right and there you'll see the option of remix, that is between download and clip. Go ahead and tap on that. Now tap on edit into a short. Now you need to go ahead and select the part of the video that you want to use as a clip. Do any editing that you want to in this video and then tap on next in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on upload to short, which is highlighted in white color in the bottom right corner, and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.